Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to find about complementary solutions and particular solutions. So in this one, I will put yc. That is about e to the power of lambda s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of yc, and we got lambda e to the power of lambda s. And second the derivative of yc, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Because this is about complementary solutions, so I will put this one equals to number 0. That means this one I will put in here, and this one I will put in here. So e to the power of lambda s, we can do about factorization. So this one we got lambda square plus 1 equals to number 0. And now we need to find the solution of this one. So number 1 I will put in here. Now we put the square root for the both sides, and we have lambda equals to negative I, and lambda equals to I, because the square root of negative I, that is about I. This is about the complex numbers in here. So this one I will put yc. So we have c number 1 e to the power of is, and we have c number 2 e to the power of negative is. So this one we can write like this. That is about c number 1 sin s, and c number 2 cosine s. So in this one we can go to particular solutions. So we can use about variations of parameter. So in this one I will put y number 1. That is about sin s. Y number 2. That is about cosine s. Gs. That is this one. So in this one we need to find Wronskian between y number 1 and y number 2. So we can put like this. That is about the matrix. So we have y number 1, y number 2, and first the derivative of y number 1 and y number 2. So y number 1 we have sin s, y number 2 we have cosine s. First derivative of y number 1 we have cosine s, and this one we have negative sin s. So we have the second one. If we want to determinant of this one, we have a multiplied by d minus b multiplied by c. So this one we have sine s multiplied by negative sine s cosine s. With cosine s we have negative cosine s squared. So negative and negative we have positive. So this one, that is about number 1. So after we got everything, we have YB. That is about particular solutions. So we have negative y number 1. And we have the integration y number 2 GS over the Wronskian. That is this one. So we have y number 2 and we have the integration y number 1 GS over the Wronskian. And we have the S. So y number 1, that is about sine s. Y number 2, that is about cosine s. This one we have secant of s to the power of 3. This one we have negative number 1. Now we can do similar for the second one. Y number 2, that is about cosine s. Y number 1, that is about sine s. GS, we have secant of s to the power of 3. This one we have negative number 1. Now we need to simplify, and this one negative negative we have positive. This one we have secant of s squared, because secant of s, that is about 1 over cosine s. So cosine s and cosine s we cancel. Now we have the s. So this one we can put sine s over cosine s to the power of 3. The negative I will put outside. So the integration of this one, that is about tan s. Now we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put u equals to cosine s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative sine s ds. So because we don't have the negative, so I will put this one go in here. So cosine s we change for u. Sine s ds we change for negative du. So this one we can put like this. So the integration of this one, we have u to the power of negative number 2 over negative number 2, and I will put about c. So negative and negative, we have positive. Now about u, that is about cosine s. Because we have the negative number 2, so we can put this one go in here. That's why we have this one. Now we combine the answer in here. So this one, that is this one. So we simplify cosine s, cosine s. So we combine yc and yb. Yc, we have c number 1 sine s plus c number 2 cosine s, and then we have this one. Next, we have the conditions, that is about this one. So when s equals to number 0, y equals to number 2. So we put number 0 go in here. So you got number 0. We put number 0 go in here. We have number 1. We put number 0 go in here. So you got number 0. We put number 0 go in here. We have negative 1 over 2. And now we can find c number 2. We put this one go to the left. And we have 5 over number 2. Now if we do first derivative of y, we have c number 1 cosine s minus c number 2 sine s. And then this one we do about first derivative of sine s, we have cosine s. This one we have sine s secant of s squared. This one we have positive sine s over number 2 cosine s squared. This is about the quotient rule of the derivative. So after we calculate, we put number 0 go in here. So we have like this. Because everything in here, you got number 0. So we have c number 1 equals to this one. And we just put 3 over 2 go in here. And now we have the final answer. So we just copy this one and we just change about scene number 1 and scene number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.